Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing fine. So this is a collective reading for the next 48 hours, but this time I'm gonna do your partner's energy and your energy for the next 48 hours. Okay, I'll upload another video also, but I was just feeling that I should be posting this one. So whomsoever this video is for, I hope it reaches you. And yeah, so let's begin. So this is going to be, this deck is your partner's deck, okay, and this deck is yours. So this will be yours energy and the other one is your partner's energy, and also you can always swap the energy, so you have to see which one is resonating, which one is not. It's going to be Hindi English mix. So let's begin. So the first card, so I've already shuffled the cards, and the first card that we have for your partner is release. Okay, I do feel that there's some block, in your partner's energy. Okay, probably I do sense that there are certain fears that this person has been wearing on their sleeves, literally on their sleeves, probably for let's say past 7 to 8 years. Okay, because there is something that this person, it's like this person has been wearing a mask, or this person has their own way of dealing with things, dealing with people. But now it seems that they are ready to see themselves in a different light when it comes to you. Okay, now they are understanding that the ways they have been you know applying in their life. Okay, the thought process, the belief systems that they have been applying in life, that is something that they might have to remove, or they might have to release when it comes to you, because you are definitely triggering them. Okay, your energy is an energy where I would say it's like just your presence or your existence, or the person that you are, the way you are with this person is getting triggered. They are understanding that with my person, with my collective, I cannot be like this. So I'll have to take off this cloak, and I'll have to be myself. I'll have to be the person that I am, the true self, the light version, because this is not what my collective deserves. So they are ready to release certain shadow parts. And second, if I talk about your energy, so here we have Four of Cups. I do sense that this person is bringing a lot of changes in their behavior. They are offering you something. Okay, and they are coming with let's say some kind of surprises or some kind of nice talks, and I would say genuine one also, because I do see that this is a genuine offer. If this person is bringing some kind of offer, definitely I do see that there's some innocence, there is some purity, and this is also something which is kind of divinely orchestrated. Okay, but at the same time, you are someone who is thinking that this is the old same old shit. You feel that this is the same old pattern. You feel that this person is going to ditch me again. You feel that this person is going to do this again. So that kind of energy is there. Okay, so you are literally tired of taking their offers, and you are having major trust issues, and with trust issues there's a lot of detachment as well. Okay, you are not so emotionally available for this person. You are emotionally detached from this person, or for that matter, I see you being emotionally detached from love. Okay, this whole idea of love. Then in the next 48 hours we have detach in your person's energy, and we have Six of Swords in your person's energy. See, with this person, I do feel that they need to detach themselves from something. Let me clarify this card. I need to see what this is. Let me. Okay, कौन सा लूं? Let's see. I'll use this. Oh, okay. See, I can see, I'm sure there's a misunderstanding and I'm stuck in a third party situation. This third party situation is definitely something related to the past, or some kind of helplessness, or it could be their career also. Okay, because they are now going to, this person kind of likes being detached. Okay, this person likes when they are not emotionally involved anywhere, just like शिवा. ठीक है, अब शिवा की मैंने एक वीडियो देखी थी एंड उसके अंदर ही टॉक्स अबाउट वैराग्य एंड ही गोज क्रेजी. ही इज़ लाइक कि यार मैं ये वैराग्य को कैसे करूँ, जब मैं शादीशुदा नहीं था तो सब कुछ ईजी था. ओके, आई कुड परफॉर्म दैट वैराग्य, आई वॉज इन वैराग्य, बट नाउ when I'm with Parvati and with my kids, it's not possible to be in Vairagya. But then when he was introspecting, when he was doing that reflection work, that was the time when he understood the true meaning of Vairagya. So here, for this is not for everyone, because I don't think that your person has reached that level, but for some I do feel that your person is reaching that level, and that is to understand what Vairagya is. Okay, and how to be in Vairagya when you are in a family, or how to be in Vairagya when you are with your person. Okay, Vairagya, freedom, detachment, whatever it is, it's not what we think it is. Okay, so learn more about it, and I think this person is learning that, and this person is also letting go of certain, they used to probably think that this is what peace is for me, this is what life should be like, and stuff like that. So they are letting go a lot of belief systems for you. Okay, for you, because they see you with a very different angle. All right, and if I talk about your energy, see, you are trusting your intuition. Okay, you are giving that reign of yours to your intuition, to your higher self, to God. Yes, you are fear driven also. I do feel that there are certain fears which are literally consuming you. There is this energy of passion as well, but at the same time there's a lot of fear. There's fear of disappointment. What if I get disappointed? Maybe, yeah, I'm starting a new life, but what if this happens, what if that happens? So now you are coming at a point where you will say, okay, universe, you take the reign of my life and you see where you want to take me. Okay, so you are surrendering yourself, your decisions to your intuition, to God, to your master. Okay, let's see the next one, which is the lead. Definitely this is a masculine energy. Okay, regardless of the gender. So I do see that this person is going to move towards stability. Okay, because we have 4 also, and this stability is not just their career, it is about having a family. Because I don't know why, but I do feel that this person that you're dealing with is a responsible person. Okay, they are really passionate about being responsible, they are really passionate about leading with heart, and they are understanding a lot of things. They are also, I think, understanding few things about spirituality. Okay, if your person is not so much into spirituality or anything of that sort, I do sense that they are going to bring some kind of spirituality into their life. And I also see their heart chakra awakening, so they might want to lead with heart, because it seems that this person is finally going to make a very important decision. Okay, they are going to take the lead in the next 48 hours. Okay, and you will see it. It's like they might not you might not see an action, because 48 hours में एकदम से सब कुछ नहीं हो जाता, हो भी जाता है. Let's give that benefit of doubt, but definitely this clarity is coming. Okay, and this is coming with a lot of integrity also. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's all fancy words and it's all that talk show and stuff. No, I don't really see that. I think this person is really determined about having a safe life, having a safe family, and this person wants to work towards that. Okay, coming to your energy, 3 of Pentacles, I think you are also willing to work with this person. You are willing to put that team effort into this relationship or with this person, though you do see that things are hidden, things are not really out there, but still I think you're ready to help this person. Okay, because without the support of divine feminine, the masculine is nothing, right? So here the divine feminine is kind of protecting the masculine's purpose, Okay, spiritual protection is in the hands of divine feminine, physical protection is in the hands of the divine masculine. So definitely I do see that you will be doing that. It's like, this person, this masculine energy is holding this carpet for you. Okay, that this is, let's say, this carpet kind of symbolizes the foundation of this relationship or the kind of life they want to have, and they are giving you the space that you make my life beautiful, you do what you feel like, you tell me what should I be doing. Okay, so that kind of energy is there. This person is giving you space to do creativity in their life and in your life. Okay, then we have giving and receiving. So definitely you will see that this person is going to put efforts, this person is going to give you, and I do see that you will also reciprocate to this person. You are also giving to this person. So when this person gives, you reciprocate, and this person is receiving it with a lot of grace, with a lot of respect and value as well. All right, so giving and receiving is there, and ऐसा भी हो सकता है that this person might want to gift you something, some kind of memento, some kind of gift is also there. Okay, then with Queen of Pentacles, I don't know, आज मेरे हाथ ना बहुत shake कर रहे हैं guys. Then with your energy we have Queen of Pentacles, and with Queen of Pentacles I think you're going to feel very secure. Okay, and this security is not only coming from your person's communication skills, or definitely this person is going to give you that security, that safety. It's not just coming from them, but it is also coming from you. Okay, so I see a beautiful integration within you, where some safety is coming from your person and some safety is coming from yourself. So there's a beautiful integration that is happening, and you're going to feel super safe, you're going to feel comforted, you will feel relaxed, you will feel that life is good. Okay, that kind of energy is there. Let's check last card, which is, okay, so here we have, with this person we have find balance. So probably this person is going to find balance in their life with you, because probably they are kind of putting a lot of effort somewhere else. Okay, or they are realizing that maybe they are doing too much of work, they're not really focusing on you, they're not being attentive to you. Okay, they're giving less time to the collective, whatever it is. So this person's energy has been in different spaces, but now they are learning how to balance this. They're learning how to be attentive towards you, they're learning about how they can give time to you, how they can give time to their family. That energy is there. And with your energy you need to get ready for some kind of instant change, for some kind of sudden change, because ऐसा हो सकता है या तो ये जो change है, either this change is going to take place within yourself, within your psyche, within your belief system, or this change is happening in the 3D and you're not expecting this. So कुछ ऐसा होता हुआ दिख रहा है which can blow your mind, which can kind of shock you or surprise you. You don't see this thing coming, but something will happen where you will be completely awestruck, or you will be overwhelmed. Okay, and for some it can be a good news, for some it can be a bad news also. So I'm not going to say, I'm not going to lie that it's going to be a blessing in disguise or it's a blessing, because for now either something is a blessing or something is blessing in disguise. But right now the way you're going to see the situation as, either it's going to be something positive or negative, but this is something that you don't see coming, and it will come with that instant hit, that boom wala energy is definitely there. So be prepared for that. Okay, so I think that is it, and I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.